Hello there, and welcome to day 3 of our chair yoga series. Today is a 10-minute chair yoga stretch. This is great for doing at your office or at your desk for a stretch in the middle of the day. Find a comfortable, sturdy chair, one without wheels, and preferably one without sides. Maybe place a yoga mat underneath your chair just to provide some extra grip for your feet. If your feet don't quite reach the ground, you can place yoga blocks underneath your feet and help raise the ground up to you. And once you find a comfortable seat, we'll go ahead and get started. Start with your feet on the ground or on the block. Place your hands on your lap. Sit up nice and tall. Maybe close your eyes. And start to notice your breath. Feeling the air on your nose as you inhale in and exhale out. With each breath in, see if you can make your breath a little bit deeper and fuller. And with each breath out, extending it a little longer as well. Take one more round of breath. And on the next breath in, take the deepest breath you've taken all day. And exhale out through your mouth and blink your eyes open. On your next inhale, circle your arms down, around, and up. And exhale, press the air away. And inhale, arms circle up. You might feel a stretch here in your arms as you do this. And inhale. And exhale. Inhale and pause at the top this time. We'll take a seated twist. So twist your torso to the right, and then lower your arms where you naturally stop, taking your left hand to your right knee, and your right hand either to the base or top of your chair. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale. And exhale. And one more breath. And release back to center. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. And lower your hands where you naturally stop. Right hand can come to your left knee, and left hand can come to the base or top of your chair. And inhale. And exhale. Inhale in, and exhale, release back to center. Take your right ear to your right shoulder. You can always grab onto the side of your chair with your left hand. Feeling a gentle stretch on the left side of your neck. Dip your chin down towards your chest and over to the left side. Maybe your right hand comes to the side of your chair now. And breathe in and out. From here, dip your chin back towards your chest and gently circle back and forth, taking half circles with the neck, and pause anywhere where you'd like to spend some extra time stretching. And inhale in. And exhale, make your way back up to center. From here, we'll warm up the wrists a little. So circle your wrists one way, and then the other, a few times each way. And then interlace your fingers and take figure eights with your wrists. And then switch directions, moving in the opposite way. And then release, maybe shake it out. We'll take finger squeezes next, so feel free to keep your elbows into your sides. Squeeze your fingers in, keeping your thumb on the outside of your fingers. And then release, seeing how far you can stretch your fingers. And squeeze. And stretch wide, just as far as is comfortable. If you'd like, you can move a bit faster, or feel free to stay nice and slow. And take one more breath here. Inhale. And exhale, shake it out. We'll come into side body stretches. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale over to the right. Right hand comes to your chair or crosses your body to the left leg. And release back down. Inhale your arms up. And side body stretch to the left. Left hand comes to the side of your chair or your leg. And release. And now moving with your own breath. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. And reaching your arms up and over to the left. Still moving nice and slow here. And one more time, each side. And then release back up to center. And take a breath in and out. Plant your left foot on the ground and draw your right knee up. You can grab on the outside of your leg. You can also grab underneath your leg, as well as keep your toes on the ground. If you'd like, you can circle your ankle and point and flex through your foot. Inhale in and exhale, release. Plant your right foot and draw your left knee up, finding whichever hold is most comfortable for you. And circle your ankle both directions. And point and flex through your foot. And release back down. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel free to take a little shavasana here if you'd like. Finding a comfortable seat, maybe stretching your legs out long. But if you're in the middle of your office or your workday and you're not quite ready for a break like that, feel free to continue sitting upright. Close your eyes, place your hands on your lap, and come back to your breath for a few rounds, just noticing how you feel. Take a deep breath in and out. When you're ready, blink your eyes back open. Thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your practice with me. If you'd like to see the rest of the videos in this series, check out the description box below for more information. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more office yoga stretches just like this. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.